This is an example report for a drop vertical jump. The skeleton in the upper right demonstrates the drop vertical jump maneuver. On the left-hand side of the page, the report includes plots for multiple biomechanics metrics: vertical ground reaction force, peak sagittal knee moment, and knee abduction moment. On these plots, you can compare the involved limb to the uninvolved limb using the bars, and limb symmetry is also given by the black trend line. Multiple measurements show how these metrics change over time across repeated assessments. This example contains data from 3 sessions. Next, we'll review the pie charts. At the point of lowest center of mass, the contribution of each joint, hip, knee, and ankle, to the total support moment are shown. For example, in session 1, we see that the knee contributed 36% in the involved limb versus 43% for the uninvolved limb. Finally, metrics for drop vertical jump performance are calculated and shown in the table in the bottom right-hand side of the page. Each movement task has 2 pages. We will continue to page 2, where you will find time series curves for each joint angle in the sagittal plane, for the hip, for the knee, and for the ankle. You will also find a time series curve of the vertical ground reaction force. Joint excursions are plotted on the left-hand side below for visualization of joint excursions between the involved compared to the uninvolved limb. Similarly to the joint contributions to total support moment on page 1, these pie charts visualize joint work contributions during the concentric and eccentric phases of the drop vertical jump. This report ends with a table showing additional performance metrics by limb and as a limb symmetry index. You can compare values over time from session 1 to session 2 to session 3 for each metric. Summary metrics from all movements assessed and comparisons across sessions or assessment times will be available on page 1 of the report, the executive summary page.